The election is on, the battle lines are drawn.
Stand up Australia for re-election. Together, we'll make it happen. Stand up Australia, stand up for re-election.
It's the Aussie way to see things through, to get things done, and to be true blue. So stand up Australia and support re-election. So now's the time to get things right. Shine on Australia, let's stand up and fight. So stand up Australia and support re-election.
Breaking news, federal Liberal MPs are gathering in Canberra right now to vote on who should lead the party and therefore the country.
Malcolm Turnbull was successful on 54, Tony Abbott 44.
This has been a very important day in the life of the nation.
This is my leader.
There you go.
And I'm ambitious for him.
Yeah, good on you. Thanks, Gomo.
Australia for re-election. Together, we'll make it happen. Let's stand up Australia. Stand up. Stand up Australia. Stand up. Stand up.
3, 2, 1. Come on, that felt good, didn't it, Julie?